Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Dallas, aka Infurness, and welcome back to the TheTekkitRealm. Welcome back to another episode of Would You Rather, and welcome to Would You Press the Button, which is another online, free-to-use website in which you can press a button. So, would you press the button if you could get TARDIS? The cloak cannot be the same as the doctor's. No, I'm not gonna do that. Primarily because I have no freaking clue what that is. Oh, damn. I'm so sorry if I'm offending you for not knowing what the hell that is, but, alright. Would you click the button if you won? You win the X Factor, but you have uncomfortable... You have uncomfortable craps every time you sing. Well, then you wouldn't really win the X Factor then, because you would be too busy worrying about your uncomfortable craps. What would you rather? Would you click this button if you are now able to befriend anyone you would like upon meeting them, but you are no longer able to use any electronic device or communicate with people? Well, then what's the point of friendship then?
Yeah, you're my friend, buddy, but I'm not gonna talk to you, contact you, call you, or text you ever again.
We'll just be friends with benefits. It's not what it is it? Would you press the button if you can get 15 things you've always wanted for free, but every time you get something, the previous item you have disappears? If I get bored of something, yes. 62, great. You can get every video game in the world, but you can't play them. Well then, what? Oh yeah, so I'd like to purchase 80 video games, please.
What would be the name of those video games?
I don't know, just give me 80 video games. I'm not gonna play them, I just want to purchase 80 video games. But
sir, that's against our terms of service.
I don't care, because I've been persuaded to press this big red button, and apparently it's supposed to change the time and space of the universe, and yeah. What? Oh. Press the button. 75% did not. Okay, I thought 75% did press the button. I was like, okay, something wrong here. Alright, would you press the button if you had the power to summon any woman you had, just words today, but she will always have your mother's eyes? What? Well, in that case, hell no. Oh, what the freak? That's stupid. Of course, yeah. What? Only 43% of people, only 57. Ugh. Would you like to become an unstoppable force, but you meet an immovable object? What? Press the button if you want to become an unstoppable force, but you meet an unmovable object. That's a paradox, so I'm just gonna say yeah, okay, whatever. You get the best PhD program in the world, but you feel like a dumbass every day. Who cares? I'm not, because I don't care what I feel. Who cares what oh, I guess everyone cares what you feel. Great. You get a lightsaber, but you can't let go of it. What do you mean? Like, you can't let go of it on? Or you can't let go of it, like you just can't let go of it off? Because lightsabers on are pretty cool, but like when I'm sleeping and there's like a turned on lightsaber, it's gonna hit the fan, Yes, go ahead. What? 51% of people don't want to have a freaking lightsaber. It's a freaking lightsaber. What else is there to say? You became a famous musician, but no one appreciates your music except for a small amount of people, a small group of overly artsy snobs who grow out of it in 6 months. What do you mean grow out of it? Like they'll just stop liking me or what? I mean, I don't really care. So, wait. If I'm famous, then how would no one appreciate me? You became as rich as you want, but you have to eat a dollar bill for every $1,000 you spend. Would you press this button if you became famous worldwide, but you get blind? No. Yeah, like seriously. Is being famous really that important to you? Yeah, like, I'm totally gonna kill myself if I don't get famous. That's a good question. Would you get thousands of dollars? This website would no longer exist. Oh, damn. Oh, I love this website. How dare you click the yes button? You have the highest IQ in the world, but your parents have to watch you. Oh no. I don't want to be high. I don't want to be high in IQ land. You are immortal, and you are paraplegic. Good question. Can you survive? You survive a zombie apocalypse. You're the only survivor. That'd be kind of cool, cause then I'd be able to, not have to deal with every single freaking person on the freaking mother trucking planet. God dang it! Yes. Mother truckers, you don't want to live. You don't want to live like by yourself. Fine. Go live with your mom's basement. Go marry your mom's basement. And wait, sorry. That's me, isn't it? I'll go marry my mom's basement then and live forever all by myself. Fine. You became the perfect man, and every woman you meet loves you and wants you. You have a small PP. I have a small PP. I have to pee small. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to leave it up to you to click this button or not. I mean, I don't know. You can't really do it because this video is not interactive. Although, that would be great if YouTube had interactive videos. So, I just broke my mouse. So, I'll fix that right now. Goodbye.